Today I want to walk you through how to make a beautiful slab-built conic espresso cup with a wavy saucer using my template. For this project you'll need clay, wire clay cutter, the template set, and you have the option to buy cookie cutter and transfer the body of the cup into a balsa wood template. You'll also need canvas fabric for support, angle cutter tool, a clay knife, a rib tool, a wood modeling tool, scoring tool, brush, sponge, water, wood sticks if you're not using a slab roller, a rolling pin, vinegar, foam, and a slab roller if you have one. The templates can be printed at 100% scale, but remember these projects work at any scale. You can size up or down in your printer settings to make your espresso set larger or smaller depending on your preference. The first thing you need to do is cut out all the template pieces. For this project, we'll use 4 main templates: the conic cup body, the circle for the base, the half circle for the handle, and the larger circle for the wavy saucer. Now, let's roll out our slab of clay. I'm using wood sticks that are about 1/4 inch thick, so my slab will be an even thickness throughout. My best advice for making good slabs is to work gradually. Don't move the clay too much at once. Slowly flatten your slab, turning and flipping it as you go to stretch the clay evenly. If you press too hard, you might have inconsistencies in your slab. So roll, flip, turn again until your slab is even. I do this many times. Now lay out your paper templates on the clay and carefully cut out around them with your cutting tool. Take your time with this step to ensure clean edges. I'll use what's left of the clay in another project. Okay, so let's create the handle. I always like to start with handles because that way they start drying before, and if I'm lucky, I can attach them the same day. Now let's make the saucer. The base of the cup is going to be the center of our saucer. Place the saucer shape on the fold and use a round base to gently press the center. This will create a scalloped or wavy effect. Same as the handle, we will set the saucer aside and let it dry. So let's assemble the conic cup. Let's start with the cup body. Take the template piece and cut both short edges at a 45-degree angle using your angle cutter. These angled edges will create an overlapping seam without adding extra thickness. Now score both edges that will be joined, add a small amount of water with vinegar with your brush and carefully bring them together to form a cone shape. Blend the seam from both the inside and outside until you're happy with it. Now that your cone is upside down, you will score the rim, add a bit of vinegar, and place the base circle on top. This is the base of your cup. Now use your wood tool to tap the base into the body and flip the piece. Bring the extra clay of the base into the body and smooth the inside and outside with your wood tool and your brush with vinegar. Now let's go back to the wavy saucer. It's already drying and you can see some cracking on the bottom. Don't worry, you can smooth it out with your finger and a wet sponge. Now we're going to attach the handle. The handle is getting leather hard, so we can attach it to the body. But first, I'll smooth out the rim and surface of the conic cup. I'll do the same with the handle. I'll check where I want to place the handle and score the spot on the cup and then score the edge of the handle. I will add a small amount of vinegar, then attach the handle to the body and press firmly but gently. You can use your fingers and the wood modeling tool to smooth the connection and reinforce it. Clean up your work with a soft brush or sponge. Check all the edges and rims to make sure they are not too sharp. I recommend leaving your pieces to dry slowly over the canvas and cover them with plastic. This will also help prevent cracking. Drying time will depend on your climate and clay thickness. Once completely dry, your pieces are ready for bisque firing. After the bisque firing, you can glaze them as you wish. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you want to check out the templates, I have them linked in the description below. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me in the comments below or send me a direct message on Instagram. I love hearing from you. Have a lovely day and thank you for watching.